How to fix the Shein application network error. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having troubles with the Shein applications related to a network error, here are some quick and effective steps to resolve this issue. Starting off with, check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable one. To confirm it, you can switch between Wi-Fi or mobile data to determine if the issue is with your network. You can even restart your router or reconnect to network. Step 2. Long press the same application and then head over to App Info. Get to the storage and cache and clear the cache. Relaunch the application. However, if the issue persists, you can clear the data as well. This will log you out and you'll have to log in again. Moving on with another step, you'll have to update the Shein application. For this, head over to Play Store, search for the Shein application, and if there's an update button available, install it immediately. This will also fix the temporary glitches and problems. After that, restart your phone to resolve temporary glitches related to the device. If you're using a VPN or proxy server, you can disable it temporarily as it may also interfere with apps connection. To do so, head over to device settings, search for VPN and then tap on disable. Or you can toggle off the option as well. Now that this is done, check for the Shein server status. If the issue is from their end, you'll have to wait until it gets fixed. To confirm it, head over to Shein's social media pages for the confirmation about server outages. If nothing works, you'll have to reinstall the application. So uninstall it completely from your device and then head over to Play Store or App Store to install it again. In order to contact the Shein support regarding the issue, head over to App Support section and then you can tap on Email. Mail them their problem along with the screenshot and you will get your issue addressed. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.